नहीं आ रहा है सर लाइव। आप अपने मेन चैनल पे कर लो।
1 minute, please wait. Okay, so now we are going to start with the second lecture of trigonometry. You all are requested to keep your chat box.
नहीं आ रहा है सर लाइव। आप अपने मेन चैनल पे कर लो।
1 minute. Yeah, so I hope you all have revised the first lecture thoroughly, and I would like to start by listening the T ratios. So please type the T ratio for sine. What is the T ratio for sine? Yes, if I am considering angle A in right triangle ABC, right angled at B, okay, and this is my right triangle ABC, what would be the sine of angle A, or what would be sine theta if A is my theta? Yes, who would like to answer? Yes, who would like to answer the question? Quick. Okay. Devansh Saraswat has said BC upon AC. Navya has raised her hand. Yes, Navya, what would you like to say? Okay, no worries. The correct answer is BC upon AC, a star to Devansh. So now we are going to work upon the star thing. Yes, Navnita and Navya, you both also have nailed it. Yes, your answers are absolutely right. So the first star for today goes to Devansh, Navnita, and Navya. Good job. Let me just write your names. Devansh, Navnita, and Navya. Coming to the second T ratio, that is cos A. So what will be cos A? Anyone? What would be cos A? You may even raise your hands. And let's be quick. Okay. Yes, Navya, you can go ahead.
AB upon AC.
AB upon AC. Yes, AB upon AC is the right answer. Let me just check the chat box. Yes, the correct answer was given by Navnita and Devansh. So the stars remain intact. Coming to the second one, what is tan A? Now I would like someone to raise their hands and answer. Okay, Navya. Okay, Devansh says that it is BC upon AB. So yes, your answer is absolutely right. Again, the three stars are with Navnita, Navya, and Devansh, and Uday has come up. So Uday is also in the star list, but he was a bit late. So let's see if he is able to answer the next question. Now we are going to do a solved example or a question in which we are just going to test have we clearly understood the ratios or not. Give me a minute, please. Yes. So now I'll write the question for you all. The question is find all the T ratios. Find all the T ratios of angle A given sides AB and AC, AB and BC, sorry, AB and BC as 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively of right angled at B. So you have to find all the T ratios with respect to angle A, given that the sides AB and BC are 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively of right angle right angle at B. Okay, so for this, first of all, we are going to make the triangle, and I would expect you to write all the 60 ratios in my chat, or even you can raise your hand. So first of all, I'll make a right angled triangle, that is ABC. Okay, so this is right angled at B as per the question. It is given that AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 12 centimeter. Now I have to find all the T ratios, and for finding all the T ratios, the first thing which I want is my side AC. You will be writing the complete answer. You'll be writing the complete answer, that sine A is equal to what? Okay. Now, first of all, I'll find AC. Now, to find AC, I can utilize the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, in triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, therefore AC square will be equal to 5 whole square plus 12 whole square. So AC square will be 20, AC whole square will be 25 plus 144. AC will be under root of 169. Therefore, AC will be equal to 13 centimeter. Now my AC has come out to be 13 centimeter. Now I can easily find all the T ratios. Okay. Now, first of all, I am interested in finding the T ratio for angle A. Okay. So the first T ratio is sine A. Now, what was sine A? Sine A was perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For angle A, the perpendicular is BC and the hypotenuse is AC. Therefore, this will be 12 upon 30. Okay. Now I'm interested in finding cos A, that was base upon hypotenuse. Therefore, base is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. So it will be 5 upon 13. Now I have to find tan A. What was tan A? Tan A was perpendicular upon base. Now my perpendicular is BC, my base is AB. So this will be 12 upon 5. Coming to, I had to find the 4-3 T ratio, that is secant A. Now what will be secant A? Secant A will be 1 upon cos A, or even I can find first 1 upon cosec. I can even find cosec A. That's totally your choice. So 1 upon cos A. So cos A was 5 upon 13. So secant A will be 13 upon 5. Coming to the 5th T ratio, that is cosec A. Cosec A was the reciprocal of sine A. So it will be 13 upon 12. Give me a minute, please. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. So cosec A was 13 upon 12. Now we will have to find cotangent A, that is cot A. Cot A is 1 upon tan. So it will be 5 upon 12. So this is the answer. If you all are clear, you are all requested to write the yes in the chat, or you can even raise your hands. If you all are clear, kindly raise your hands. Yes, Navya, you are having an issue. I'll ask you to unmute yourself. Yes, Navya, what is the issue?
सर क्वेश्चन में तो लिखा हुआ है ना AB एंड AC दोनों का मेजरमेंट 5 सेंटीमीटर है.
नहीं, AB and BC as 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. इसका मतलब है कि AB 5 centimeter और BC. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to proceed by doing the NCERT solved examples. Are you all ready for doing the NCERT solved examples? I hope so. Now let's start the NCERT example. NCERT's first example. Now I want someone to read the question for me. So I am giving you all the permission to unmute yourself. So you are requested to.
If tan A is equals to 4/3, find the other trigonometric ratios of angle A.
Okay, so tan A is given to you as 4 upon 3. you have to find all other trigonometric ratios, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what I am going to do. Now I know, first of all, my first step would be to make the right angle triangle. So I'll make a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is my right angle triangle ABC, which is right angle at B. Now it is given to me tan A. You are all requested to switch off your cameras. It is given that tan A is equal to 4/3. So I know that tan A is perpendicular upon base. For angle A, the perpendicular will be BC. Okay, and the base will be AB. So I know that BC upon AB is equal to 4/3. 4/3 is the simplified form. So I can assume that if BC is equal to 4K, AB will be equal to 3K, where K is a positive integer, Now BC is 4K, AB is 3K. To find the trigonometric ratios, my step would be to find AC. Now I know that AC square using Pythagoras theorem. You can just write using Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, therefore, what is AB square? AB square is 3K whole square. BC square is 4K whole square. So this will be 9K whole square plus 16K whole square. So this will be 25K whole square. So AC will be under root of 25K whole square. So this will be 5K. So AC will be 5K. Now I can find all the other T ratios, other 5 T ratios. So for that, I'll be just clearing the board. Okay, continuing to this. Now my first T ratio, which I'll be interested in finding, is sine A. Sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this will be 4K upon 5K. 4K upon 5K. KK gets cancelled. It will be 4/5. The second one I'm interested in finding is cos A. What is my cos A? Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. That is 3K upon 5K. That is 3/5. Tan A is already given to me. That is 4/3 or 4K upon 3K. That is again equal to 4/3. Now I'm interested in finding cosec of A. What is cosec A? It is the reciprocal of sine A. So it will be 5/4. Now I have to find sec A. That is the reciprocal of cos A. So it will be 5/3. Cot A is reciprocal of tan A. So this will be 3/4. If you all are clear with this, kindly raise your hands. If you all are clear with this, please raise your hand. Okay. Great. So I've got response from almost all the students. Okay. So coming to the second example of NCRT. Example 2. Now the NCRT example 2 is, just give me a minute, please. Okay, so this is a very important question. Please mark it. It comes for 3 marks. And it has a higher chance of coming in the paper. You can easily get this question. Okay, the question says that if angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sine B is equal to sine Q, then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Now, in this concept, in this type of question, you're going to use the concept of similar triangles. I hope you already are aware of what are similar triangles. If you are not, then you can just check out our videos. So now it is given to us that sine B is equal to sine Q, and now we have to prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. So first of all, I'll make 2 right angle triangles. So this will be my first right angle triangle, ACB. It is given to me that angle B is an acute angle, so I cannot take it to be the right angle. Then my next triangle will be PQR. Okay, so PRQ. So this will be like PQR because I can't take Q to be the 90-degree angle for it to be an acute angle mentioned in the question. So it is given to me sine B is equal to sine Q. And first of all, I'll write given to prove. Okay, so let ABC and PQR be two right triangles. So to proof is angle B is equal to angle Q. Given that sine B equal to sine Q. So let's see how we can do this question. Now it is given to me that sine B is equal to sine Q. So sine B, what is sine B? Sine B is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is AC upon AB. So what is sine Q? It will be PR upon PQ. Okay. Now, if I cross multiply, like if I just change the values of AB and PR, if I write AC into PQ is equal to AB into PR. Okay. I'm writing it this way. Therefore, AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ. I can write this expression this way because I have to use the concept of similar triangles and I need the ratio of the sides. So as I've got this, now I can say this is equal to K. I'm just assuming it. Therefore, AC upon PR is equal to K. Okay, and even AB is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to K. Now, I can say that AC is equal to K into PR, K into PR. And if I say AB upon PQ is equal to K, therefore AB is equal to K into PQ. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply Pythagoras theorem in both the right angles, both the triangles. Okay. So, in right triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what was AB square? Now, I know that AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Okay, now AB square minus BC square minus AC square, sorry, is equal to BC square. So now what I can do is that I can find BC from both of this because I have to prove that BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ. Then that only will lead to me proving the two triangles to be similar. Okay, so I'll find the value of BC now. So BC will be AB square minus AC square of under root. Okay, so this will be equal to BC. So this is my equation 1. Now in right triangle PQR, okay, in right triangle PQR, PQ square equal to PR square plus QR square. Now let me see which side is required. Now I know that it should be BC upon QR. I want BC upon QR to be equal to AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. So I'm going to find the measure of QR. Okay, so this will be PQ square minus PR square under root equal to QR. We are going to revise the chapter 1 to chapter 4 in our next video. Okay, now what I can do is that now I'll write BC upon QR. Okay, now BC is AB square minus AC square upon PQ square minus PR square, right? I hope you have got it. Okay, now I know that my AB is PQ into Q. So this will be K into PQ upon whole square minus what was my AC? AC was K into PR of whole square upon divided by, I have my under root PQ square minus PR square. Let me just rewrite R P. Okay, I hope you have got till this point. Now the next point is that I can take K square common. I can take K square common. So my expression was K square PQ square minus KPR square. Yeah, K square PR square upon under root of PQ square minus PR square. From the above one, if I take K square common, I'm going to get PQ square minus PR square, and this will be an under root. So this will be PQ square minus PR square. So from this K will go out, so it becomes K under root PQ square minus PR square. This will become PQ square minus PR square. So this gets cancelled, I'll get K. Therefore, BC upon QR is equal to K. Yes, I see few of the one will have doubts. So let me see who all have doubts. Yes, Navya, what doubt do you have? Okay, okay, I think no one has.
सर
Yes, Navya.
सर वो बोलना था कल टेस्ट है हम लोग का 1 to 4 चैप्टर.
हाँ हाँ, आपको उसकी रिवीजन मिल जाएगी, डोंट वरी.
तो खुद से भी रिवीजन करना है ना सर?
Yeah, you will get the revision. Let me just continue with this lecture right now. I'll just complete the first 5 questions of NCERT today. First 5 solved examples. Then we all can continue with the revision. So now I have got BC upon QR equal to K. And what was K equal to? K was equal to AB upon PQ. Okay. Equal to AC upon PR. So this was equal to K. So this will be equal to BC upon QR. Now, as I have got this relationship, I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SS rule. Okay. From this, I can take angle B is equal to angle Q. Why I can take angle B is equal to angle Q? The reason is corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So, okay, continuing with the third example. Now the third example is a good one. It is a good question, and this question can even also come for 3 marks. Okay. Okay, now coming to the in example 3. The example 3 is considering triangle ACB, right angled at C, in which AB is 29 units, BC is 21 units, and angle ABC is theta. Determine the values of cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. So let's do this question. Again, this is one of a very good question. Okay, now I have been given this as my right angle triangle ACB, which is right angled at B at C. Now it has been given that this is 21 units, this is 29 units, and angle B is my theta. Okay, now first of all, I'll find the side AC. Okay, I'll find the side AC. Okay, now in right triangle ACB, in right triangle ACB by Pythagoras, AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. So this will be 29 whole square equal to AC whole square plus 21 whole square. So this will be 29 minus 21, 29 square minus 21 whole square equal to AC. So this will be 29 plus 21 into 29 minus 21 equal to AC. So as you can see, this will be 50 and this will be 8 equal to AC whole square. So your AC will come out to be 20 units. Okay. So AC will be 20 units. Now I have to find cos square theta plus sine square theta. Sine, give me a minute, please. Okay, yeah. So what is cos? Now what is cos? Cos is based upon hypotenuse. So BC will be the base. Okay, 1 minute, please. I need to find cos square theta. So my cos will be 29. Sorry, based upon hypotenuse, that is 21 upon 29. So this will be 21 upon 29 whole square plus I have to find sine theta also. So sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It will be 20 plus 29. So this will be 441 upon 841 plus 400 upon 841, which is 841 upon 841. 841 gets cancelled, so you'll get 1. So cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Now coming to the second part, it was cos square theta minus sine square theta. Now I knew that cos is based upon hypotenuse. In that case, my base was 21, my hypotenuse was 29. Sine square theta was 20 upon 29. So this will be 441 upon 841 minus 400 upon 841. And this will be 41 upon 841. And this is my answer. Okay. So I hope you're clear with this question. And with this, you'll end the lecture of trigonometry. Okay. Thank you.